morning, friends. Miss Jen is excited to come and share some fun facts about penguins with you. So let me show you inside my fun book here, and we're going to talk about the penguins. So this says, penguins cannot fly. Penguins spend most of their lives in the ocean, but they are not fish. Penguins live in the coldest part of the world all year long, called the Arctic. Penguins love to swim, march, and slide in the snow. See how much fun they're having? Let's learn about the different parts of the penguin. Penguins are perfect to live in the water. They have a sleek shape that helps them glide through the water, and they have a layer of blubber which keeps them warm. It's around their fur. So let's learn about their fur. Layers of soft feathers trap heat, and stiff oily feathers on top keep the water out. See that? They also are excellent swimmers and have big webbed feet, which helps them glide through the water and steer the direction they want to go. They refer to them kind of like a paddle. I don't know if you've ever seen a paddle in a boat or not, but it works like that. And they also have big, big eyes so they can see underwater. They love being in the water. It's cold. See the icebergs back here and the big snowy mountain back there? Do you like to swim, friends? I bet you like to swim in a pool or in the ocean, and it's warm there. I don't know if we would want to swim in this cold water. Miss Jen doesn't think she would. That would be cold. They live in big colonies. Look at all of those penguins. And they huddle up together. Look how cute they are. I'm showing you some other fun facts. There are 17 different types of penguins. Look at all the different ones. There's small ones and bigger ones. I did not know there were 17. Some of them have different markings. His coloring looks different than his. So cool. They're beautiful. And here's some more. These are bigger than the ones we just saw. I wanted to show you the barb. They eat fish, and they have a barb. See their tongue? Our tongues are smooth, but they have these little sharp barbs on their tongue that help them catch the fish so it doesn't slip out of their mouth. And those are some fun facts about penguins. Next, we're going to show you some fun activities we did with our science experiment. So we'll be right back. Good morning, friends. It's Miss Jen and
Maya.
And today we are going to do something fun in science with what?
A penguin. They live in the Arctic.
They do. They live in the Arctic. So we are going to talk about penguins and do a fun little science project with you guys that we are excited to show you. But first, let's sing our science song, okay? And you guys sing along with us, okay? Are you ready, Maya?
Yeah.
Okay. Miss Jen will sing it first, and then you guys will sing it back to me, okay? You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Welcome to science.
Welcome to science.
Let's get ready.
Let's get ready.
We will make discoveries
We will make discoveries
and have fun.
and have fun.
Yes, we are going to have a wonderful time. I'm so glad you're here with us, friends. Maya and I are here to show you our fun penguin experiment that we have. So we had some penguins and we, hold on one second, let me show you our friends so that their mommies and daddies want to do it. And we put them in our fun little popsicle maker, but you could use an ice cube tray and they're in water, and they froze, and we made little icebergs for each penguin. Okay, Maya, put that one on.
Here.
They come out really easy. There you go. And we have 8 for all of our friends. So we have 8 penguins.
Put them on here.
Yeah.
Put them on here, huh?
So we have a Gigi, and we have, oh, perfect. So we have a Gigi, we have a Martine, we have a Nicholas, we have Lucas, we have Tirth, we have MJ, and we have Vihan. Look at your little selves. Line them all up, Maya. That's all of you. All of our friends. Okay. And then we also use different containers to make some icebergs because our penguins love icebergs. We're going to get that out.
Okay.
See? Okay, Maya, you want to put that? Where do you want to put that? Okay. Here's another one. A lot of icebergs. Try this one out. Oh, show them this shape. Oh, is it cold? There's another one. All right. And we have some of these little ice cubes too that we're going to put in our little
Let's put them
ocean. You can put them wherever you want. Okay, so we're going to stick those on there. And then we also have some ice cubes. It's just regular ice cubes that we're going to put on our tray. Nice job. Thank you for helping me. Are your hands getting cold? Mine sure are. Yeah. So we have different containers. You could use an ice cube tray. You could even use Legos. We just have the penguins. You could use Legos. You could use anything and pretend. Be creative and use your imagination. And we used some blue food coloring to dye our water blue and our water for our little fishies. Penguins. Whoa, there he goes. And we're going to show you how they slide around in there, but also another fun thing to do, and we're going to show you this after that, is to put it all in a big bin, but I wasn't sure if you would be able to see it, but we will try that after we show you them sliding on here. Okay, so those are the things we need. All right, Maya, can you see if they'll slide? Let's pour our water, just a little bit, and we have a big bowl of water. Whoa, okay.
So let's see if we slide down. 1, 2, 3, go.
Slide, and we also have our little other. Will they slide? Let's see. Make them spin, twirl.
This one is going to my life.
He is going on the igloo, and we had our polar bear that wanted to come play along with us. Yes, stuck on there, didn't he? See how fast you can make them go.
Nice bug is coming through.
Here, let's move this, and then they can swim a little better.
Look in the water. Where was some penguins?
What if, see how fast this one can go. Oh, is the polar bear chasing the penguin?
Yay!
Oh, that's a neat idea. They can hop up here, and they slide. This is a slippery one.
Let's go up here.
Another fun activity that Maya and I like to do, and maybe we can do a little video on that, is to freeze ice, and then we have a big chunk like this, and it's white, and then you can paint it. It's really fun. Are your hands getting cold?
Yes.
And remember, friends?
Oh, Mommy, you could go underwater like this.
Oh, they can swim underwater too. But what happens, look, see what's happening, friends? Because it's warm in here, what's happening to the ice?
They're melting.
It's melting, that's right. So it only, and these ice cubes are starting to melt too. Can you see?
Put them on the ice.
Yep. Just like when the sun comes out,
Put
if
them
there's
on the
snow
ice.
and
Let's
sometimes
put
it
them on the
melts the
ice.
snow.
Let's put them on the ice.
Okay, you put them on the ice and show our friends.
Let's put them on the ice so they don't melt.
Before they melt, yay. Do you want to put it all in this big bin and see if they float?
Oh, yeah.
That's another good science experiment to see if it floats or if it's going to sink. Okay. Welcome back, friends. We have our big container and we poured some water in it. Okay, Maya. And all of our ice and icebergs and penguins are in here. We're going to see if they float or if they sink. Okay. Oh, goodness. Show our friends, Maya. What happened? What happened to it?
It melted.
It melted. It doesn't take long for ice to melt. Look at these little pieces, friends.
See, they're melting.
They are melting. Okay, let's see if they sink or if they float.
Okay. They sink.
They sink, but they can swim around in there.
Swim, swim.
What about this big piece of ice? Do you think this is going to sink or float? Is it heavy?
Come on, come on.
Do you think it's going to sink or float?
I think.
It's heavy. Let's see. I think it's sunk to the bottom of our...
Yeah, this. Let's see.
Let's see if those sink or float. Whoa, it's slippery, isn't it? That's okay.
It's slippery.
See, it's melting. They're sinking. There's another one. You can just,
And here's a pour
you can dump it. This is another way to have a fun little activity. Like I said, you can put ice in there. You can dye the water blue and find things around your house and see what you think might sink or float. And you can pretend Legos will be just as cute. And see, our penguins are floating. They
Look
love
at
to
him.
float.
He's almost melted.
He is. They're almost all melted, aren't they? Oh my goodness. Are your hands turning blue? Mine are.
Look, he melted.
He did.
He melted.
We could
he
even put our
melted, he
iceberg in
melted.
here.
Ooh.
Kind of looks like an igloo. They could stand up top.
Swim for shelter, swim for shelter.
Swim for shelter.
Where is the little? Where is the
Yeah, let's get it closer so they can
How?
see.
Hey, how about where is a little penguin for me to eat?
Oh, that's a good idea. They're hopping on the icebergs. Hop, hop, hop.
Where is a little penguin for me to eat?
On the ice. Yeah. What's happening? Look, what's happening to our penguins now?
They're all melting.
They're melting, and what are they doing? They are floating in the water now because the ice is melted off.
Look, he melted off.
They did. So now they float. Now they're just swimming. They're not ice skating anymore.
But it's fun to swim.
It is. They love to swim. They love the water.
I love hopping on spice boat. Boom, boom,
So this is just a fun little activity, and you can talk about what sinks and what floats and how things melt and solids. It's a fun little science activity, and there's so many different conversations you can have with your little friends. Solid, that is solid, and this is a liquid.
Liquid.
Mhm.
See? Liquid.
Yeah. Okay, friends, thanks for joining us.
Liquid.
Have a good day. You can say bye, Maya.
Bye. Wait. Cool.
Maya had fun playing in the bin even after the ice melted. Climbed up the iceberg.
And then look. When he slides down. Whoosh.
Whoosh. They love to slide.
Whooshy, whooshy. I'm going to stay
The
underwater.
other ones are swimming.